In this video, we're going to break down how to use Monday.com for Agile project management, and we'll explain why it might not always be the best option for your team's needs. So, if you're looking for a quick overview on how to use Monday.com for Agile, stick around, because we'll show you exactly how to get started and how it compares to alternatives that could fit your goals better. First up, Monday.com is a versatile project management tool that works for Agile frameworks like Scrum and Kanban. You can set up boards, assign tasks, and manage timelines. But is it really the best for Agile? Let's dive into that. Now, Monday.com offers customizable boards, which you can tweak to create the perfect visual workflow. You can use it to track sprints, backlogs, and prioritize tasks. The interface is pretty intuitive, but some users complain that it can get a bit cluttered when you're juggling too many projects or team members. This can slow things down and may make the tool feel less agile than you'd expect. Next thing, Monday.com allows you to integrate with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and even time tracking apps. This is great because you can keep everything in one place. However, the integrations aren't always seamless, and setting them up might take longer than expected. For teams running fast-paced Agile projects, this could be a roadblock. The fourth thing to consider is their automations. Monday.com offers pre-built automations to help streamline workflows, like setting task deadlines or reminders. But here's the kicker. Automations are limited on the free plan, and they quickly become a premium feature. If you're looking to use Agile practices to their fullest, automations are essential, so you may find yourself upgrading sooner than you'd like. Now, let's talk about reporting. Monday.com provides some basic reporting features, like task status and time tracking. But for Agile project management, you may find that these reports lack depth, especially when it comes to burn-down charts and sprint velocity tracking. For Agile teams who thrive on these metrics, you might need to look at other options. So, why are we talking about alternatives? The truth is, while Monday.com is a solid choice for project management, it might not be the best fit for teams looking for deep Agile functionality. Tools like Jira are purpose-built for Agile frameworks, offering better reporting, sprint planning, and backlog management. But don't worry, there are other competitors that can bring you even more value if you're focused on Agile. These options come with more tailored features for Agile teams and also offer free trials, so you can test them out risk-free before making a decision. At the end of the day, Monday.com can work for Agile, but if you're after a more streamlined, robust solution that specializes in Agile, it's worth exploring alternatives that do this better. And before I wrap up, here's the good news. I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get access to an extended free trial for Monday.com. But I'm also sharing the best alternatives that offer better features for Agile project management, and they come with their own free trials. These tools are designed to help you achieve the goal of smooth Agile workflows with less hassle. Check the link below to grab your exclusive deal and test these tools out today.